Are you tired of constantly talking about your goals and your grind on social media? Do you feel like you're not getting the recognition you deserve despite all your efforts? Well, I have some advice for you. Let your results speak for you. That's right. Instead of constantly telling people what you're up to, show them through your actions. You don't need to brag about your accomplishments or post daily updates about your progress. People will take notice when they see the fruits of your labor. And here's the thing, results can't be faked. There are a lot of fake people out there who talk a big game but don't actually deliver. Don't be one of them. Be the person who works hard in silence and shocks everyone with their end result. When you build in silence, the haters don't know what to attack. And when you finally reveal your results, they'll be left speechless. But here's the catch: you have to actually do the work. You can't just sit around and wait for success to come to you. You have to put in the effort, day in and day out, and trust that the results will come. And when they do, they'll be a testament to your work ethic, your hustle, your ability, and your greatness. So, my friend, it's time to stop talking and start doing. Don't worry about what others think or say about you. Just focus on your goals and let your results do the talking. When you're truly great, people will take notice and sing your praises. And remember, your greatness will always be reflected in your results, never in your time. So let's get to work and show the world what we're capable of. Are you with me?